We're recording. We're on random.org. We're doing the select the teams for the 2011 Triple Threads football break. How many times are you going to hit it, Mark?
We're going to hit it 5 times.
5 times. Starting now.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scanning from 1 down if you want to get closer.
Does everyone know what their numbers are?
Well, they'll be able to match it up when I send it to them.
Okay, so kind of hard to read that. Hopefully everyone can. I don't know why we can't scan that or zoom that in better. But there's all the teams, and Mark will send everything out.